You already talked to him, Darren?
Yeah, I
Yes.
just spoke to Mr. Greco.
Okay.
Heather, this is on Albo, ALBO.
Mhm.
We have a clear responsibility on the in-up vehicle, a fine of $100, and I wrote it up, signed Mr. Darren's name, and I'll walk it into you.
Just give it to the guys. They can
Okay,
pull the
good.
file. Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
thanks.
So, 7 or 14 days.
14 days. I'm sorry. Oh, to pay, how much?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sorry.
14 if you would.
Yep. All righty.
All
Have a
right.
good day.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Graziani, you're done with Xavier?
I am done. I am done. Thank you so much, and we're ready to honor plea.
Well, I'm gonna throw, let's see. I think you have one more. Yeah, well, we'll do this one. All right. I'll let the
Thank you
judge
so
know
much,
you're ready.
Heather. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
You want to talk to her? You want to talk to her?
Counsel, your appearance on Harrison.
Thank you, Judge. John Graziani, P number 43387. Sir, I'm representing Mr. Harrison. Mr. Harrison, please enter your appearance. Please identify yourself, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm Xavier Harrison.
Thank you. What do we
Yes.
got, counsel?
Judge, what's happened is Mr. Harrison's availing himself to 771.1 plea. He does not have a criminal history. I spoke with Prosecutor Manarino, and she has no problem with it. The recommendation is for a period of 6 months, and I've explained all the rights associated with that. The fact that Mr. Harrison still could go to jail, and then he's got a right to go to trial, bench or jury trial, and other things with the advice of rights, and he does want to enter the plea at this time, Judge.
Thank you. I think I talked to your passenger a few minutes ago.
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
guys work for the company that hauls appliances around for the big box stores?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay. And did you understand your rights after talking to Mr. Graziati about same?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand the
I'm-
options those rights give you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to this charge?
Do you understand the
Yes, sir.
charge, Mr. Harrison?
Yes, Your Honor. I do. Yes, Your Honor.
You're
Yes.
pleading freely and voluntarily, sir, correct?
That of
You're
what
pleading
happened
guilty
from
because you decided that's best for you, not because Mr. Graziani told you you should.
No, Your Honor.
Nobody's
I'm sorry.
correct.
I'm sorry.
He's-
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't mean to ask for an attorney. I'm sorry about that part. But yes, Your Honor, that I had the firearm myself. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. So my understanding from talking to your truck mate
Yes,
is
sir.
that you guys are traveling in Michigan on delivery. You had a pistol and loaded magazine in the vehicle. Neither one of you had a concealed pistol license. And in Michigan, that's improper transport of a firearm. Is that
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor. It was unloaded. It was away from each other. It was unloaded. Nothing was in
Yeah,
it.
but
Nothing was in
The
the.
Satisfied,
loaded
Judge.
magazine and the pistol were in the same compartment, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Graziani, is satisfied?
Satisfied, Judge. Satisfied.
All
sir.
right. Mr. Harrison, how long have you worked with the company?
For a year now.
Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms of sentence?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. As I told your coworker, usually on a charge like this, I would order work program days, but because you're an out-of-state resident, I'm going to convert that to community service hours.
Yes, Your
So
Honor.
court costs are $500, 20 hours of charity work. I gave him 60 days to get the charity work done. I'll give you the same.
Yes,
So
Your Honor.
find a nonprofit that's registered with the IRS as a nonprofit, do your hours, official letterhead that shows you did 20 hours, and send that to us within 60 days. If you want us to pre-approve it before you spend the time, then you can go through our email and email what you're thinking, and we'll let you know whether or not that's going to work.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you pay the money on line today, or do you need some time?
I need some time, Your Honor.
All right, how about 30 days on the money?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so within 30 days, the money, and then within 60 days, the hours.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. Stay safe.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
Thank you so much.
All right, John, I think you have one left, and then you
Okay.
should be good to do the lives. I'll move
Okay.
you in.
Thank you so much, Heather. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Good morning, Mr. Greco.
Good morning, Judge. And we just had a civil infraction plea involving Ms. Elizabeth Ellison for TC October that we just gave to Heather for her to
Alrighty.
process.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Mr. Benavides, do you need to speak to your client?
No, we're ready.
You ready? Alrighty.
Yes.
Judge.
Elizabeth, you can go.
Thank you so much. Can I have 14 days, Heather?
Yep, I'll put it down.
Thank you.
Are you pulling Ogden?
Oh, no, I need to pull.
Counsel, your appearance on Ogden.
Good morning, Marcel Benavides on behalf of Mr. Clinton Ogden.
And Mr. Ogden, are you there?
Yes, yep.
Thank you. Counsel, I understand this is a dismissal. I'm going to bet that you and Mr. Ogden are okay with that.
We are, Judge. May I ask for dismissal with prejudice that
It won't be with prejudice because I don't have a jury impaneled and I haven't sworn in a witness.
that's fine, Judge. Thank you.
Mr. Ogden, did you post any cash bond?
I did not.
Then the case is dismissed. You're all set. You fellas have a nice day.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Kewen, are we ready on Thompson?
We are ready, Your Honor. I'm going to pull them out right now. Thank you.
All righty.
Your Honor, this is Attorney Benavides. May I ask a quick question?
Sure.
Will the clerk input the dismissal into the system so that the licensing sanction is removed? The
Yeah, that'll
625?
be done momentarily. She's doing real-time dispositions.
Okay, great. Wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Thompson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim QNP 64917 appearing today on behalf of Mr. Thompson, who's joining us today via Zoom. Mr. Thompson,
Good
can you
morning.
state your name, sir?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor. Lance Thompson.
Thank you. Counsel, tell me about the plea.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today's the time and date set for pretrial. I've been able to pretrial this matter on a few different occasions with the city attorney. City attorney has agreed to dismiss the original count, which is an OWI case from the year of 2020, with the understanding that defendant would plead guilty to an added count of reckless driving from that same time and date. Defendant has been advised of his rights, in particular, Your Honor, his right to trial. He'd be willing to waive those rights and avail himself of the plea today. Again, Your Honor, this is a case from 2020. Currently, Your Honor, the defendant is at the Michigan Department of Corrections. He will be there for at least the next year with a significant parole tail to follow.
All right. And Mr. Thompson, how long have you been incarcerated already?
I've been here I've been locked up for a year and some months.
Okay. All right. And did you discuss your rights with counsel? Do you understand those rights and the options they give you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand the possible penalty for reckless driving?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you drive a vehicle on October 10, 2020 in the city of Romulus?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what's the factual basis for the reckless, Mr. Kewen?
Thank you, Your Honor. At that time, sir, were you operating that vehicle well over the speed limit? In fact, were you speeding significantly while you were driving? Is that correct?
Yes.
Is it also true at that point in time, one of your headlights was out? Is that correct? And it was after dark?
Yes, correct.
And you were weaving in and out of traffic. Is that correct?
Yes.
Judge, and for purposes of this plea, we would stipulate that there was alcohol in the defendant's system at that point in time. And I would be satisfied with that basis. Would you
If
be
you're
satisfied, Your Honor?
I am, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to set Mr. Thompson, I'm going to sentence you to 93 days in jail, give you credit for time you've already served. File is closed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
You're
you, Your Honor.
welcome.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, counsel.
Good luck, sir.
All right. Thank you. You too.
Is it that what we got here? What are we doing? I won't find it. Dustin? All right, ladies, give me just a minute. I want to get files, so Heather, so you can keep working.
Thanks, Judge.
I can give you those. All right, appearances.
Thanks for carrying out the speaking to how we defended.
Thank you. Sir, you can sit. They train the attorneys to jump up. You're okay. All right, so I had a chance to look at the pleadings. Let's just go over the high points, and I'll give Ms. Manarino a chance to respond.
Motion set aside to default judgment. It all arose due to an issue surrounding my client's driveway, which the city has.
They just do and you know.
Oh, you're done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, just a moment.
Go ahead. I muted that.
If you found this case as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful courtroom breakdowns.